What you are seeing here is an in progress of the Superlectric model 2072. I'm assuming late 60s to early 70s. Cabinet's in good shape, no rust, but whoever had it put way too much oil in the motor where it all leaked out everywhere. This whole bottom piece here is just filled with oil dirt. It was disgusting. The motor was filled with oily, greasy dirt and pulled up inside. So it ran through our parts washer, and that pretty much got rid of all the greasy dirt inside. It's been thoroughly dried. I have not put fresh oil in it yet, but we will do so shortly once it's mounted back in the fan. Okay, got the motor mounted, got the motor properly oiled, got the wires redressed. There's actually a piece of tape they use this to hold this little piece. I just used a zip tie on it instead. Let's get the blade back on this. Okay, blade reinstalled. Just press it back down just like a lake would. Very well lubricated. Also has the bottom feet. I actually had to take these off and ultrasonic and clean them by hand. So you got a bunch of oil underneath of all this. I mean, this whole thing was just oil. That's all I'm gonna say. So now let's go ahead and get the grills back on. Back grill is on. And there it is, all assembled. Let's give it a run. Medium-ish on this. Yeah, these Superlectric fans are weird. But it has very good spin down time now. And it's very clean. Also, the cabinet's polished inside now, as you can see. Very nice reflections in it now. But yeah, it just runs at that speed. I believe this is a Redmond motor. But it definitely moves a lot of air. So here it is, all cleaned up, ready to go. We'll do high from up here. Here's low. So yeah, it doesn't spin very fast, but it definitely still blows a lot of air. Leah, what are you doing? Hey. This one, girlfriend. We did a spin down from the front. Get up to high. the startup sounds. Low. So no real startup sounds on this one. So there you go. Thanks for watching.